Hi, in this video we are going to talk about linear functions. So a linear function has a variable of power 0 or 1 and it forms a straight line on the graph. So here we have expressed a linear function into a slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b, where y is the dependent variable, m is the slope, x is the independent variable, and b is the y-intercept. And y-intercept is a coordinate where our x is 0 and the line on the graph is intersecting the y-axis. So in this question, it says write the equation of the line with slope 2 that has y-intercept 5 and then graph the line. So here we know that our m, which is slope, is 2 and our b, which is y-intercept, is 5. So our equation will look like this. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. So y is equal to 2x plus 5. And now it tells us to graph this equation, y is equal to 2x plus 5. And how can we do that? Is first we can find, so we know one of our coordinate, which is, we'll make a table of value over here. So it's a table of values. So here we're going to write both of our coordinates x and y. So we know when y is 0, our x is 5. This is our y-intercept. And now we're going to find out when our y is 0, what is our x? So what is the x-intercept? So we're going to make our y 0. So 0 is equal to 2x plus 5. So minus 5 is equal to 2x. And then x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2, which is also minus 2.5. So that's our x-intercept, which is minus 2.5. Now we know our slope, which is 2. And what is a slope? So a slope is rise over run. So how much unit our line is rising and how much unit it's running. So what's the x-axis, what's the y-axis, and what's the x-axis? So in this case, we know our slope is 2 divided by 1. So it rises 2 times and then it runs 1 time. So what we're going to do is add 1 to our x coordinates and add 2 to our y coordinates. Because it's rising 2 units and it's running means horizontally it's moving 1 unit. So here we know that our y-intercept is 5, which is this. And we also know our x-intercept is minus 2.5. That's 1, 2, and this is going to be 2.5. Now we're going to add 1 over here. So it's going to be plus 1. Then add 2 over here. And we'll get 5, 6. 5. So when we add 1 here, what is that going to make our y? So add 1 and 0 is 1. Add 2 on 5 is going to be 7. So when our x is 1, our y is 7. So that's the point where x is 1 and y is 7. Now we're going to add 1 on this, so it's going to be minus 1.5 and add 2 to here, and this is 2. So when our x is minus 1.5, our y is 2. There we go. Now we're getting an idea that what our line's gonna look like. So we're gonna join all 4 points and then extend the line 2 like this. And this is our y is equal to 2x plus 5 graph. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.